Are you a business owner struggling to create a professional workspace that truly represents your brand? Designing an office interior from scratch can be overwhelming, time-consuming, and costly. You want a space that impresses clients, motivates employees, and reflects your company's values. But where do you even start? That's where our Turnkey Office Interior Design solution comes in. We handle everything from initial concept to final installation, taking the stress completely off your shoulders. Our expert designers work closely with you to understand your vision, budget, and timeline, then transform your workspace into a stunning, functional environment that drives productivity and success. No more coordinating multiple contractors, dealing with design delays, or worrying about budget overruns. We manage every detail of your project with precision and professionalism. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation and transform your office into the professional workspace your business deserves. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.